Okay, beta, today is lecture number 14. In lecture number 14, we will discuss about information technology. In 20th century, there have advancement in electronics in the field of electronics, uh, invention of televisions, computers, and satellites, etc. All these have they are the result of the presently growing technology called information technology. Okay, that all the inventions are the result of this information technology, IT. Okay, present age, the information age, we are flooded with information at an explosive rate that cannot be imagined few years back. In now age, we are flooded with information. Okay, we have a lot of information that were not few years back. Okay, people all around the world are getting closer and closer. Distance have lost their meaning as the world has turned into a global village. By this information technology, this world became a global village. We can connect to each and every person in any corner of the world. So that's why this all these technologies make this world as a global village. As you know, in village, every people know every person, each and every person. So this word is considered as a global village, means we make we can contact to each and every person who is whether in last corner of this world. Computer technology is the most powerful and the most flexible technology ever developed. Information technology is combination of computer technology and communication. Computer technology is more powerful technology, and information technology IT that is the combination of computer technology and communication. Both information technology is the combination of computer technology and communication. IT is the use of science to store. It is the use of science to store, handle, process, and transmit information. Computer is one kind of science in which we can use to store, handle, process, and transmit information. It is the technology that merges computing with high speed communication links, carrying data, sound, and video. It is bringing up far-reaching changes in the way we work, even in the way we think. Okay, it is bringing changes in our work. Uh, for example, how we are working, how we are thinking. Okay, we have to give instruction to the computer. Computer will solve our problem. Rapid changes are taking place in information technology every moment all over the world. Previously, telephone was one of the few means used for communication. Okay. Today we have many other choices such as fax machines and computers that are rapid changes in our information technology. The method used in sending information instantly over long distance are called telecommunication. Televisions, telephones, radios, computers are some of the main telecommunication devices that are the examples of some devices that we are using for connecting to people who are uh, closer to us or they are at the distance at very distance. They send or transmit different types of information in the form of sounds, written words, computer data, or picture. Okay. All these inventions, for example, TV will send video and audio both. Okay, uh, our radio will transfer the sound only. Okay, our message text box message that are in written words, computer data or picture. Telephone. When you speak into a telephone, it changes the sound into electrical signal. Okay, I also discussed this topic in previous lecture, lecture number 12, I think. Telephone, when we speak in a telephone, it changes the sound into electrical signal. Our sound energy will change into electrical signal. The electrical signal travel along the telephone cables via the telephone exchange to the telephone receiver at the other end of the line. Okay, our electrical signal will send travel along the telephone cables. Okay, from where the telephone is connected via telephone exchange to telephone receiver uh, at the other end of the line. The telephone receiver then changes the electrical signal back to the sound. At the end of the line, at the desired place, at the desired telephone, that changes the electrical signal into back into the sound. Telephone signal may pass through a network of exchanges. Telephone signals may pass through a network of exchanges. These connect two telephones making a call. Uh, two phones are connected for making a call, and electrical signals travel through electric or telephone. Okay, that that are travels through electric or phone. The electrical signals are travel through telephones are electric. However, between the telephone exchanges, the wire to your electrical signal may be changed into light signal, which travel along optical fiber or radio signal, which may travel via communication satellite in space. Okay, and nowadays, as you know, more inventions are going on. So in nowadays, uh, the the signals, the sound signal change into light signals, which travel along optical fibers. Okay, or radio signals, which may travel via communications satellites in space. A cellular or mobile telephone has a small built-in radio. That is one type of that is one of the type of radio transmitter and receiver. Okay, our mobile telephone has a small built-in radio transmitter and receiver. It sends and receives a call in the form of radio. In our mobile phone. In our mobile phone, the sound is transmitted and receiving. That is, it send and receive a call in the form of radio waves. When you speak into a mobile telephone, the sound of our voice is changed into radio waves. Okay, its processing is totally based on radio waves. Okay, these are then transmitted to nearby station, which is connected to the telephone network. Each station serves an area called a cell. As the caller moves from one call to another call, the radio signals sent out by the telephone are automatically connected to the next station. Okay, our mobile is connected to any station that is near to us. That will resend the signals to other. Okay, each station serves an area. Each station have its own area. The radio signals sent out by the telephone are automatic connected to the next station. They are connected to each other automatic. Radio signal received by the mobile phones which change back into sound. Okay. Uh, radio signal will change to sound signal. When these signals facsimile fax machine, that is fax machine. Okay, fax is short for facsimile, which means an exact reproduction of a document, picture, or print. A fax machine scans a document and changes the light and dark parts into electrical signals. The electrical signals travel via telephone lines to the receiving fax machine, which reviews the original documents. Okay, fax machine that will scan a document, picture, or print a paper. Okay, and this document will change into light signal, light into electrical signal. Okay, this electrical signal travel via telephone lines to the receiving fax machine, which reproduces the original document. Telex machine. A telex, teleprinter, and exchange machine can also be used to send documents in the form of electrical signal via telephone lines to another telex machine. The printer that printers out the documents that prints out the document. However, the documents have to be first typed into the telex machine before they can be transmitted. Okay, in telex machine, a document have to type in the telex machine. Computer. A computer network such as the internet allows the computers to exchange information or make use of a central database. Computer networks allow their users to send message or graphics at their convenience, while the receivers receive the information at their leisure. Okay, in computer that is allowed to exchange information or make use of a central database. For example, sending message or any graphics at their convenience. Okay, information can also be put into a network bulletin board, and however, whoever is interested may use it. Uh, for example, whoever who is interested may use bulletin board. Okay. In addition, computer conferencing or video conferencing allows users to look at and talk to one another through they may be thousands of kilometers apart. Okay, computer allow to each and every person uh, through conferencing or video allow users to look at and talk. For example, video talk to another through they may be thousands of kilometers. They are in the last corner of the world. That is because of computer. They may connect it to each other. So that is our today's lecture. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may ask.